What's up, guys? Your boy C2 and Connor from CKEV. And today we're showing you the best product on the market to get your Tesla Model Y or 3 or even Cybertruck with a screen mount, guys. So there's a quick review on this product that we got sent from Tess Studios. Shout out to Tess Studios. This website is a great website that has a bunch of Tesla Model Y, Model 3, and even Cybertruck S and X accessories on it. You can use our code and discount code down below to get 20 to 25% off your next order, guys. So they sent us this product, and we were thinking about, man, like, is this cheap? Is it not good quality? And then pretty much when we opened it, Connor was like,
shit was nice, I'll be honest.
yeah, it was pretty nice. The packaging came with what again?
It has a mount, it had a new replacement for the AC adapter, and then just some screws. Pretty simple overall.
Yeah. So the box comes in a nice little square box, and it has instructions with it too. But if you don't know how to do it based off of reading it, there's a bunch of videos online, like the one we're about to make right now, that can show you how to really put the screen mount on your Tesla. So the screen mount moves from left to right and up to down about a bunch of degrees of rotation. Right now, full price this product is around under 200, but with our code CKEVs, you can get 25% off of this product and every product on the website. So make sure to hit that link down below and we'll tell you how it went. So first we got in the car, and then
Also, you want to make sure the car's off, nothing on. You don't have any electronics on when you're installing it.
Right.
Very simple. Under the screen, on the standard screen, there's a little mount that pops off. You gotta unplug that. That's where your air conditioning and temperature sensor is. After that, there's two screws that allows the screen to come off. From there, there's two more screws to get off the mount from the old screen that'll allow the new one to attach. They sent the bracket. It's very well done, full metal, very sturdy. Slides in and gets screwed in. From there, the screen attaches back on. Then the AC mount has the new adapter to it. Push that all in and make sure everything's plugged in and turn it back on. It should be about 8 to 10 minutes. Pretty simple, straightforward overall.
Yeah, and as we said, this product comes with everything included. So there was no other stuff that we needed. There was no other like tools from Home Depot or any type of soldering or anything like that. It was a simple attach, unattach, unscrew, put back in, and go about your business. The screen swivel does have like a little bit of give to it, so it's a little bit sturdy, so it's not like, all loose and stuff. And you can tell when you move it that, like, okay, this is the end of it. So even if you were to like accidentally hit it and drag it, it won't pop out the joint. It may break the swivel or break the mount, but it's not gonna break anything in the car. So it's not touching anything.
It's a very firm press, so you won't let it won't just fall on you or detail. Wherever you set it to will stay.
Yeah.
It's very firm and very nice.
Yeah, and like one thing I noticed, and one thing I was worried about when we installed this third-party, accessory, I was wondering, like, okay, like I listen to a lot of like bass heavy music. Okay, when I'm driving, is the screen going to start, shaking with it? Because mirrors outside will shake, because the bass is bassing in Teslas. But this one's actually pretty sturdy, same as the OEM bracket. Like if I'm playing a bass heavy music, the screen doesn't shake up and down where I can't read it. So that's pretty much it for that portion of it. It's a great product. We're going to do more reviews on products for our Tesla Model Y before we sell it for the $59,000 Cybertruck. But the screen is nice, cool, quick. Anyone can do it. Even your grandma that has only one leg because the other one, she lost to diabetes, she can do it too. So make sure to hit the description down below if you wanted your own screen swivel mount. I think we're doing floor mats next. So maybe we'll do a compilation video of the top 5 Tesla accessories. But from Tess Studios, this is a really good product, and they have a bunch of more products too. They have.
Would highly recommend. Very well done, very high quality, very sturdy.
Yeah, like they have sunshades for the top. They have a center console Cybertruck refrigerator. We might have to try that out. Please send us some Test Studios. They have running boards for the side back of the Cybertruck. They have fridges for the Model Y Juniper as well as this one as well. And they also have a voice controlled sunshade for your car that has stars and stuff, which is pretty dope. I'm not really big on accessories for my car, only because I want it to be as efficient as possible. But we do have other people's cars that we can just give it to. Like we have 2 friends that have Model 3s, so we could just get accessories for that and do videos on that and swap cars and stuff like that, because I'm very efficient freak when it comes to this car. But I guess when I have my home charging, I won't be as much, so maybe I will do some more accessorizing my Y and Cybertruck. But for this product itself, it's really not that bad of a price. It's really good, and it's really like, I would say, like, you wouldn't think companies out there still make good third party parts. You would think, oh, it's all, not real, this and that, though. But like for this product itself, it's only $139. Actually, I found the price, $139 for the Model Y Juniper version, 2025 plus, and then for the Model 3 version it's $84. So, and obviously if you have an older version like mine, it's around the same. So 25% off of 125, that's a lot of savings, guys. This product is very cheap. It's nice, straightforward. You can do it yourself, and you can even look at the leeway it gives. Like I already took footage of doing the leeway. So, but you can look and see, like, this is actually a really really good product that everyone should have, because not everyone has an S and X that can do a screen tilt. So it's good to have it in your car in case you want to give it to your passenger. Okay, select something off the screen, or I want my kids to see it center. Okay, maybe I want to see it because it's just me in here, and I want to be a little bit closer. And it does bring the screen a little bit closer to you, which I do enjoy, because I don't like how the screen defaults is a little bit back. I have to move my chair forward. So
I would say it probably increases the distance closer to you by about an inch.
an inch, okay,
Inch
yeah,
or so.
yeah.
Probably not too big, but definitely makes it closer to you. Easier
Exactly,
to access.
exactly. So, but like I said, comment, subscribe. This is a quick video on the installation of the screen swivel mount from Tess Studios. Make sure to check them out.
Shout out Test Studios.
Shout out Tess Studios for all the stuff y'all gave us. Hopefully we can get some more stuff to display for y'all and see how it works, give y'all the ins and outs. But for now, we've been living with this for about 2 weeks, and it's still good. So I was waiting to do this video after I tried out the product for you guys, because I did not want to just display a product, do an advertising video and not actually use it. So I like to live with my products for at least 2 weeks before I do a video on it, in case it's not good quality. But this one, for this product itself, really good. 10 out of 10. Thank you, Test Studios. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below, like, comment, use that link down below to get free 3 full self months of driving if you buy a new Tesla, with my link down below. Please and thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Peace.